Hello friends, I am Devidas. In today's session, we will discuss about the Google form and how does that Google form is used for framing or conducting the online examination. Particularly, this form is useful for the teachers, those who are conducting or want to conduct an exam online. Okay, let us without wasting our much time, let's get started. Okay, we have to click first of all on this Google Chrome. Once you click that, this window will be open and we have to write here Google Forms. Okay, see, the page will be open. You should directly go down, scroll down. Okay, again you have to come down, just come down, and you will find here, so please click on this link, that is docs.google.com. okay, so once you click here, then one form will open. Okay, this is, let's see, this is a form, and this form we call as a Google form. Okay, and this form can be designed in the different way as per our requirement. Let us, I will introduce you with this form, which are the tool available and how you will edit it first time. Okay, let's see now. So in short, I will give you the ideas regarding retail. First thing, you have to log in to the Chrome browser. Okay, and here once if you are logged in, then one logo or icon will be shown, that's your icon. If you are not logged in, then you may not able to see this form, or you may not able to edit these forms clearly. Why? Because it is store on your ID on the Google server. Another, you will find here this three dots. These are the three dots. If you click here, then once you click here, you will find there is a setting. So this is the setting bar, so you can do the setting here. Okay, so any kind of setting you can do here. Previews form, you can see setting of the form, make copy, get link, add collaboration, add on, and so on. Okay, now another one point you will see here, this we call as a to link, to get the link. So which form, if this form you have designed, then you want the link to send someone others to interact or attempt these forms. Okay, that link will be there. I will show you just. So this kind of window will form here, and see here, you can send the link by email, and you can get the link and you can send by WhatsApp or any other medias also. Okay, so this is, so this will be, let us, I'm going back, and another, so this these icons, so just to design, to put the design on our header or footer, so this will be help. I will show you here. Okay, such kind of it will come, and here this is the image. You can choose any image which is available on this site, or you can choose your own image also. So you can choose the theme color, then background color and the font, and afterwards you have to press on the apply button, then you will be automatically redirected there. Okay, so these are just, these are the tools. Now what is the exact so toolbars? So that toolbars we help us in editing, so that's are here. So this is add the questions. Okay, and another it is insert. So this is the insert options. So you can insert the any questions which are which are given in the your any other forms, because such kind of exam paper, suppose you are designing the exam paper and 5-10 papers you have already designed. So among that one paper, so one question is given that you like and you want to insert that questions, so that this option is given here. Okay, then text, you know very well, and then it's a image. Okay, you can insert the video also, and here it is a section, so you can divide into the section. Let us now so this is the basic information regarding this Google form. This is the just basic idea, how does it look like and what are the parameter, what are the function available here for editings. So the below this editing tools we have already discussed. Now let us start editing this, and in the part 1, this first part, so I will be giving you the just idea. So whenever the students are giving exam, so we collect a database or the information from the student. Which kind of information we collect? Like what is the name, roll number, class, subject, okay, email address, contact, whatever the required information as per your requirement, you can set it. So today I will show you that. So in part 1 I will show you that how to set, how to collect the information from the student. To collect that, one setup we have to do, and then in the part 2 I will show you that how to design the question paper, because in one part the video will be much lengthy. Okay. See children, now let us let us start now. So how we can edit these forms to collect the information from the examinee, those who are attempting the exams. So at first point, so here you will find here this untitled form. You put the title for that, so click on here. So I have clicked here, and now type. So what what title? So intro or basic information or information from the students, or you can write your exam name. So I can write unit see unit test first. This is our trial. I am showing you just trial unit test first. So automatically see here it appeared here. So this is your file name, unit first, and now down it is coming. So unit test first, and here the form descriptions. So your file form descriptions, you can write the form descriptions. So unit test I will write here. So unit test of which subject? So subject. So subject, let us consider here it is physics. Okay, physics. Marks, how many marks you want to? This marks 20. Okay, this is 20 marks. And date also you can mention if you find. So date, so and so, whatever the date you want, that you can. I see today's date, so I am mentioning here it is 26 6 06. Okay, so this you have mentioned. So this is what, just the information about the form. And now see, this is the untitled question and options. So here we'll now start editing for, so collecting the informations. Now let us, first information we want, what is your name? So enter your name, we'll write enter. In the computer language we write enter your name. Okay, name. So this is your first question is over now. Okay, so but this is the first questions. Down one you will get to the multiple choice. So no, we don't want, it is not a multiple choice. We want to collect a answer from the student in the form of the string, that is the letter, that is your name, so and so. So click on this multiple choice, this box here. Okay, to reduce it or to change it, I am clicking here. Once we click, you will find here so this. So once you click here, you will find here short answer, paragraph, multiple choice. So see, default it is a multiple choice, so it was showing. So you have to click over this short answer, because one string is a short answer. I click here short answer. Now see, here enter your name, short answer, and short answer text. So here, so it is a editing window. So this short answer box will not be appear to the student, only this answer box will appear. Okay, and another condition, sometime we put compulsions or requirements. See, this is here compulsory. You want student must enter compulsory, he has to enter the name, then you put here this. Okay, so see here we can, if you don't want, if some information is not required, if you don't want the name, you want something other like roll number, compulsory roll number, name is not compulsory, then you put like this. Okay, so when you on it, so here one dark mark will come. So it will be the compulsory question, till ever it is not been attempted or not entered, it will not get forward. Now one thing we have collected, now we want another parameter, like suppose you want a class. Okay, enter your class, then you have to click here on the plus button. Sometime in somebody's mobile this will be shown to the right side also, here bottom it is shown, so plus icon. So I click here on the plus icon, so to add the another questions. Okay, see here, I have clicked here, I have clicked here, so just wait. See, this is appeared here for the next question. First question is enter your name, or next question, enter your enter your mobile number. Okay, mobile number you can write here. So whenever writing, be careful regarding this. So once you write enter your mobile number, so mobile number is nothing but it is a string. Okay, so when it is a string, so automatic some setting will come as number. Sometime the student can write any number or which is not a valid number, maybe 8 digit, 11 digit, 9 digit. So mobile number, how will decide is writing correct or not? So on the answer, below to the answer number, so if number is a length, you decide. So maximum count I am writing here 10. Okay, and once if he is not writing, we have to put the message also that it is correct or not correct. So please enter, please see, we have to write please enter a valid mobile number. Okay, so we have to set the message also, and this field also it is compulsory. See, required means if you are not writing, it is required. So even if not entering, if you don't want the mobile number, so if the student is not attempting or not writing the mobile number, then also it will proceed ahead. So we want it compulsory, so it put it compulsory. See this dark options. Okay, now so again come down. So this is, see the sequence, it is been changed here. First it is coming mobile number, then enter your name is coming later on. So we just come down here, and once you come down, then just click on this here, and you can drag it to the up. See, I am dragging, so the sequence is changed. Now the sequence is changed. So first sequence is now enter your name, and then it is enter your mobile number. So this is the only two parameter or two information we have collect. You can add one more by clicking on the plus icon. So next questions, what you want, what information you required, that you can ask. You want suppose section or class, so that you can write here. Suppose enter your class, enter your class. It depends on your requirement. Okay, oh sorry. So enter your class, so short answer it is a, and so he will, so in the class also it is here few information is number, so we have to decide is it number or not. So click here, so it is the length, it is a text or regular expression, so you can write here text. So text means content, so doesn't contain email address, URL, so doesn't contain anything, you like that you have to write. Okay, or we can take it is, okay, just a moment. See here, I have added successfully the another question, that is intersection. So it is one multiple choice, you can make it is A, B, C, D, whichever the section is there. So these are the 2-3 parameter is enough, and you can enter a lot of informations whichever you want. So this is a look like only 3 questions we have designed. Now we want to see that how does this form look like. Okay, so click on this setting buttons, then see the previews. Okay, so when you see the previews, so this will be appear to the students. See, unit test first, marks 20, subject physics, these are the compulsory topic. On in front of the question one red marks will be coming, this red marks, it means that it is compulsory, other than that it will not pass. So section, it is also compulsory, and the submit button. Once the student has submitted this, then and then only the further section will be open to the student for writing purpose. Okay, so here again I will go back, and so in the next section I will show that certain settings, so whenever we are writing the questions or designing the questions, so better policy. So you please watch the next part, that is part 2, how to design the question paper, and then setting up the question paper in the part 2 we will see. Thank you.